Good morning. Today we start exercise 13.2 question number 8. In this question, a factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 54 days? Then we assume let the number of machines to produce the article in 54 days, let the number of machine to produce the article in 54 days be X. According to question, number of days upon number of machines. Number of days, when number of days is 63, then number of machine use 42. And when number of days is 54, then number of machine we use X. Since the number of days are decreasing, then number of machine must be increasing. So this is inverse proportion. Since number of days be decreasing, then machine should be increasing. So this is indirect variation. So in indirect variation, we write 63 into 42 is equal to x1 into y1 is equal to x2 into y2. This implies x is equal to 63 into 42 upon 54. 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 6 are 24. Then 3 8s are 24. Then 3 7s are 3 6s are is 7. 7 into 7 is 49 machine. 49 machines. So thus the number of machines would be required to produce number of machine required be 49. Question number 9. A car takes 2 hours to reach the destination by traveling at the speed of 60 km per hour. How long will it take when the car travels at the speed of 80 km per hour? Suppose the time taken by car at a speed of 80 km per hour is x hour. Let the the time taken by a car at the speed of 80 km per hour be x. Then time in hour and speed in kilometer per hour is, when time is 2 km in 60 km per hour speed, then time be x hour when speed of car is 80 km per hour. This is indirect variation. Or inverse variation, then 2 into 60 is equal to x into 80. This implies x is equal to 2 into 60 upon 80 is 3/2 hour is equal to 1/2 hour. Thus, time taken by car is 1/2 hour. Question number 10. Two persons could fit new windows in a house in 3 days. First, one of the person fell ill before the work started. How long would the job take now? Second, how many person would be needed to fit the window in 1 day? In this question, first part, let one person finish a work in X days. So according to question, number of person upon number of days. When number of person, 2 person can do, then number of days will 3 days, and when number of person 1, then number of days be X. We assume X. This is inverse proportion. So 2 into 3 is equal to 1 into X. This implies X is equal to 6 days. X is equal to 6 days. One person finish the job in 6 days. 6 days. Second, how many person would be needed to fit the window in 1 day? Let number of persons be X. Then number of persons upon number of days. When 2 person is there, then number of days we take 3. Then in 1 day, how many person we put here X. Inverse variation. So 2 into 3 is equal to x into 1. This implies x is equal to 6 person. We need 6 people to finish the job. Question number 11. A school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. How long would each period be? If the school has 9 periods a day, assuming the number of school hours to be same. Let the duration of each period be x minute. Let the duration of each period be x minutes according to question. Number of periods and duration of each period. Number of periods and duration of each periods. When number of periods is 8, then duration of each periods is 45 minutes. When number of periods is 9, then duration of each period be x. This is inverse variation. Eight into 45 is equal to 9 into x. This implies x is equal to 8 into 45 divided by 9 is 40 minutes. Thus, when number of periods is 9, time required for each period is each period is 40 minutes.